Hi everyone, are you looking for a complete multi-service application? Are you looking for a complete all-in-one application where your users can book bike, taxi, order food online from multiple restaurants, order groceries and shop online from multiple vendors and send couriers, rent a car and also book service like electrician, plumber, painter and much more, then this is the video for you. In this video we are going to explain you how our Runzo Pro app works, how a user can book taxi, how a user can order, how a user can book services and much more. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the customer app of Runzo Pro. You can see this is such a beautiful UI. In this you can see all the options. So now let's understand how to book a ride. Now click on ride. Now choose your pickup and drop location. You can control your pickup and drop location like this. You can see nearby bike available on the map like this. Now choose your destination, enter your address so the Google can automatically take your location. And now here you can see your pickup location, your drop location, the total payments come, and now let's click on book now. And that's how a customer book a taxi. Now this booking will go to the nearby driver. So this is the driver app of Runzo Pro, and the driver will receive a very loud sound, and now the driver will have 15 seconds to accept this booking, and if he doesn't accept, the booking will go to the next nearby available driver. And now let's accept the booking, and that is how the booking has been accepted in the Runzo Pro driver app. Now the driver can see the other information of the ride. He can see the live location of the customer. He can message or call the customer also, and the customer can see the booking has been accepted. So like this, the customer can message the driver, and like this notification, a proper notification of every function will come, and like this the driver and the customer can have a chat inside the app for any issues. The customer can also call the driver for any issue, and the driver can also call the customer for any confusion. And now let's click on start, and now let's assume the driver has reached to the customer's pickup location, and now let's click on start, and now the driver will start his ride from the pickup location to the drop location. In the meanwhile, the customer and the driver both can use the complete map inside the app to track the location. The driver has reached at the drop location of the customer, and he will click on finish. And that's how a ride got completed in Runzo Pro. Now the customer can give a 5-star rating and write his review for the driver and submit it. And that's how a customer book a ride, driver accept and complete the ride, and customer can give a review for the driver. The driver can see his review in his review section, and that's how bike booking works in Runzo Pro. So now let's understand how service booking works in Runzo Pro. Now let's scroll down to see the services in Runzo Pro. So these are the services available in Runzo Pro. A user can book plumber, AC repair person, any services that admin add over here will be available to book. Now let's click on application repair, and we click on it, we can see AC repair, and we can choose a subcategory inside it. And now let's choose our budget, and let's write our concern over here, and now click on submit. And now this information will go to the admin like this, and the admin can send any service provider to complete the service. Remember, in service booking there will not be any notification inside the app for any seller or driver, because the notification is going to the admin only, and he can manually send from his side this booking to any of the service provider that he wants to. And the payments will also be taken offline by the service provider himself. Now let's understand how to book a taxi in Runzo Pro. So now let's click on user app again and click on taxi. Now we can see by the car icon our nearby taxis available, and now let's choose our pickup and drop location. So this is the total price coming. The price is accordingly the kilometers that you are riding multiplied by what is the price of per kilometer. If you have any promo code, you can enter it over here. You can pay by wallet or cash on delivery. Now let's book it by cash on delivery and let's click on order. And yeah, that's how a customer make a booking for a taxi. And now this booking will go to the nearby driver of taxi available, and he will receive a very loud only to accept the order. If he doesn't accept the order within these 15 seconds, the order will go to the other nearby driver available. And now let's accept the booking, and that's how a driver accept the booking in Runzo Pro app while booking for a taxi. So now the customer can see the live location of the driver, and the driver can also see the complete details of the customer. The customer can call the driver for any of the query, and the driver can also call the customer for any of the query. The customer and driver can also have a chat for any of the query. And now let's assume the driver has reached to the customer pickup location. And now let's click on start, and now the ride has been started. In this process, the customer can completely live track that where he is going, and complete map he can see on his app. The driver can also see the complete map in his app. And now let's assume the driver has reached to the drop location, and he will click on finish, and the ride has been successfully completed by the driver's side. Now the customer can give a 5-star rating and write his review for the driver. And that's how a customer book a taxi, a driver accept it, and the customer and driver both can live track their taxi. And that's how taxi booking works in Runzo Pro. Now let's understand how parcel booking works in Runzo Pro. So if you want to send parcels, that is also possible in Runzo Pro. Now click on send goods, enter your pickup and drop location, and now click on next. And now choose your item category. What is your product category? It is document, fashion, anything else you can do. If it's not any of this, you can choose other and you can write your category. Now enter your sender and receiver detail. The app will tell you the price accordingly, how many kilometers you are sending multiplied by the price for per kilometer. And this is the total price coming in the application. Now if you have any promo code, you can enter it over here. You can choose online payment or COD. Right now we are choosing COD, and now let's click on order. Now this order will go to the nearby courier boy available, and he will accept the booking. He will receive a very loud sound notification like this to accept the booking. And yeah, our parcel has been successfully accepted by the courier boy. Now let's assume the courier boy has reached to the customer location, and he will click on start. In this process, you can live track the customer location and the driver location also. The customer and the parcel delivery man both can have chat also. The customer and driver both can call each other also for any of the query. And now let's assume the customer has reached the drop location of the parcel, and he will click on finish. And that's how a customer make a courier sending request and a delivery man deliver the parcel. The customer can now give a 5-star rating to the courier boy. And that's how a courier booking is done in Runzo Pro. So now let's understand how to rent a car in Runzo Pro. So now open your customer app, click on car rent, choose how many hours you want to rent the car, choose your location, and now you can see the price accordingly how much time you are taking the car, multiply by the price per hour. So if you have any coupon code, you can apply it from here and click on order. Now this booking will be going to the nearby car rent driver available like this. He will have 20 seconds to accept this car rent. And now you can see the live location of your driver available to give you the car. Now you can chat or call with the driver for any of the query. And now let's click on start. And the driver will go from his location to your location to drop the car for the rent. And now let's click on finish. And let's assume the driver has been reached at your location. And that's how a car rent works in Runzo Pro. Now you can give a 5-star rating also to the driver. So now let's understand how to order multi-vendor products in Runzo Pro. As in Runzo Pro, you can also order products from your nearby shops available. Remember, you will see only the products available from your nearby shops registered on the application. So now let's click on shop. So this is the store available in our nearby location, and we can click on it and we can see all the products nearby it. And let's add products to cart. You can see the total price. You can also pay online or by COD. If you have any promo codes, you can apply it from here. And now let's click on order. And the order will go to the nearby delivery boy available, and he will accept the order like this. Remember, he will receive a very loud sound notification, so he can accept the order, and he will have 20 seconds to accept the order. If he is not able to accept the order will go to the nearby another delivery man available. And now let's accept the order. And that's how our delivery man accept the order. And now let's open the seller app. So this is the Runzo Pro seller app. So you can see your latest order, and you can also see what are the products and everything. Now the driver will need to enter this 4-digit pin that is coming inside the order section of the seller, so we can ensure that the driver has picked up the order from the right seller. And now let's enter this 4-digit pin. And yeah, the driver has collected the products from the seller store. And now let's assume the driver has reached to the customer location, and he will click on this button. And yeah, the order has been completed. So that's how a customer order from multiple sellers in Runzo Pro. And that's how a customer order, a driver accept the order, pick up the products from the seller location and drop the products to the customer location in Runzo Pro. Now the customer can give ratings to the driver like this, and that's how order booking works in Runzo Pro. Runzo Pro is a complete native Android app. In this you are getting Runzo Pro customer app, driver app, seller app, Androids with admin panel and 1 year free technical support and complete source code. Runzo Pro is a complete Android native apps with PHP admin panel and 1 year free technical support. For more, you can call your consultant or you can drop a comment below so our team can help you. For more, kindly check the description so you can directly book this product. And for more, kindly watch all the videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.